जब थरूर साहब बोलते हैं वो पार्टी की राय नहीं होती है।
But he's correct. He's absolutely correct. I made it very clear. I'm not a spokesman of the party. I'm not a spokesman of the government either, I might add. I'm, for whatever it's worth, people seem to think I have some knowledge about some of these subjects, and so they come and ask me my views. And I make it very clear, sometimes explicitly, sometimes implicitly, that I'm expressing my personal views as an Indian, as a proud citizen, and certainly don't forget that my own party had declared complete solidarity with the government and the armed forces at the beginning of this conflict, and in that spirit I also expressed that support. To my mind, it was merely a contribution to a very important national discourse at a time when, frankly, it was important for us to rally around the flag. There were, especially internationally, there was a relative lack of our point of view being heard, particularly in Europe, the Middle East, the US, and so on. And when stations from those countries approached me, I felt it was almost my duty to try and give a point of view that I believe accurately reflects my understanding anyway of what India believes, stands for, and would have done. Now, I'm not any way official. I mean, I am a chairman of a standing committee, but we have not yet been briefed. Our briefing is coming on Monday. So I have no access to any special classified information or anything. I'm giving my personal opinion as somebody who has been witnessing and watching world affairs from close quarters for a very long time. That's about it. And frankly, people are entirely free and welcome to reject my point of view. This is my point of view, that's all. To which I am, I believe, entitled in it.
तो कांग्रेस पार्टी इस मौके पर भी दल हित को और दरबारियों को देश हित के ऊपर रखती है। ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। ये कांग्रेस की संकीर्ण मानसिकता का परिचायक है। ये कांग्रेस की पेट्यूलेंट और पेटी बिहेवियर का परिचायक है। और एक तरफ तो केरला कांग्रेस थरूर जी के बखान कर रही है, दूसरी तरफ मेन कांग्रेस थरूर जी को ही साइडलाइन कर रही है। ये कांग्रेस में चल क्या रहा है? पर एक बात स्पष्ट है, अभी मैंने देखा है, डॉक्टर थरूर ने तो कहा है कि मैं राष्ट्र सेवा के लिए हरदम उपलब्ध हूं। तो इसका मतलब उन्होंने तो IND इंडिया को INC के ऊपर रखा है। और सभी देशवासी आज की तारीख में दल के बारे में नहीं, देश के बारे में सोच रहे हैं। कांग्रेस को भी इसका परिचय देना चाहिए।